Hey everyone. Today we complete chapter ecosystem. Are you ready? Let's start. Sum total of interacting biotic jod abiotic factors capable of independent existence. Functional unit of nature ecosystem term coined by Arthur Tansley, 1935. Terrestrial forest, grassland, desert aquatic pond, lake, river, estuary man-made crop fields. Man-made aquarium natural. Next topic ecosystem structure or function. Note stratification, vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels. Trees, shrubs, herbs, grasses, ponds are shallow. Very simple stratification. 4 functional components: productivity, decomposition, energy flow, nutrient cycling. They function as a unit. Next topic primary productivity, biomass produced per unit area. GPP, gross, total photosynthesis rate. GPP घटाव R equals NPP available biomass for consumers. Respiration loss. Secondary productivity. Secondary productivity, rate of formation of new organic matter by consumers. Next topic decomposition process. Fragmentation, earthworms break down detritus, leaching, water-soluble nutrients go down into soil as unavailable salts. Catabolism, bacterial, fungal enzymes degrade detritus. Humification, accumulation of dark amorphous humus. Mineralization, release of inorganic nutrients. Warning, oxygen requiring process. Next topic, decomposition cycle or rate. Nutrients return to soil. In an ecosystem, dead plant parts like leaves fall to the ground and are acted upon by decomposers such as bacteria and fungi. These organisms break down the organic matter, and finally the nutrients are released back into the soil. Plants again absorb these nutrients through their roots. In this way, the decomposition cycle continues and maintains soil fertility. Rate of decomposition favor, fast. Warm or moist environment. Nitrogen or sugar-rich. Decomposition occurs faster in warm and moist conditions because microbial activity increases. Detritus that is rich in nitrogen and sugars is easily degradable, so microbes break it down quickly. Inhibit, slow, low temperature. Anaerobiosis, rich in lignin or chitin. Decomposition becomes slow at low temperatures because microbial activity decreases. In anaerobic conditions, absence of oxygen, decomposers work inefficiently. Detritus rich in lignin and chitin is hard to break down, so the rate of decomposition is reduced. Next topic, energy flow in ecosystem. Sun is the only source of energy except deep sea vents. Per photosynthetically active radiation is less than 50% of solar radiation. Plants capture only 2-10%. Unidirectional flow 10% law 1000 J heat loss 100 J heat loss 10 J heat loss. Only 10% of energy transfers to next level. Next topic, food chain. GFC vs DFC. GFC, grazing food chain, starts with living green plants. Grass goat man. Note major energy conduct in aquatic system. DFC, detritus food chain, starts with dead organic matter. Decomposes equals saprotrophs. Notes, major energy conduct in terrestrial system. DFC flows into GFC, e.g. animal eating earthworm. Next topic, ecological pyramids. Pyramid of number: tertiary consumers, secondary consumers, primary consumers, producers, many, grassland. Note, can be inverted in tree ecosystems. Pyramid of biomass: terrestrial, upright pyramid. Tertiary consumers, small mass. Secondary consumers, primary consumers, producers, large mass. Aquatic, inverted pyramid. Phytoplankton, small, less than zooplankton, large. Zooplankton, small fish, large fish. Pyramid of energy: tertiary consumers, 10 J, heat loss. Secondary consumers, 100 J, heat loss. Primary consumers, 1000 J, heat loss. Producers, 10,000 J, heat loss. Always upright. Never inverted. Energy decreases at every step. Last topic, limitations of ecological pyramids: does not accommodate a food web, assumes simple chains. Saprophytes, decomposers, are not given a place. Same species can occupy greater than one trophic level, e.g. sparrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.